Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express, and we're installing some dampers today. And you can see the damper right here, and there's a little motor. And whenever, let me turn it around here. Whenever the thermostat, which is back there, sends power to the motor here, this little motor, it opens or closes. So the dampers either that are open or closed. You can see them right there. So these are good for two-story homes because heat normally rises. So you have a thermostat set at one temperature, have the other one set at another temperature. So whenever one satisfies or gets cool, the thermostat will shut, close that damper, push more air to the other floor, whether downstairs or upstairs, and cool it a lot faster. So it helps with the hot and cold spots as well in the home. So we're gonna get this installed for this customer, another happy customer. So call us at 512-448-0532, 512-448-0532, 512-448-0532. You can also find us on the web at www.abcaustin.com, okay? Call for our AC, heating, refrigeration, and plumbing needs. And we got Frank up here in the attic. He's trying to get those installed. So again, see you guys in the next video, okay? ABC Austin Service Express. Bye-bye.